The HiCAD solution for metal engineering and facade construction, identical part search, and production drawing creation. The HiCAD 3D BIM solution for facades offers unique functions for fast and reliable generation of production documents. Whether glass, element, or rear ventilated facade, HiCAD automatically generates the drawings, bills of materials, and data for NC programming directly from the BIM model. Step 1. HiCAD determines unambiguous item numbers at any time with the unique 3D identical part search mechanism. Individual itemization strategies can be defined easily and flexibly. Step 2. HiCAD generates annotations in views at the push of a button and always up to date, even after changes. Step 3. Lists for purchasing, manufacturing, shipping, or assembly are automatically and accurately derived directly from the 3D model. Step 4. HiCAD generates dimensioned production drawings or sheet metal developments directly from the 3D BIM model. Step 5. HiCAD transfers profiles or sheets faultlessly directly to NC production, for example, in DSTV NC, NCW, Geo, DXF, STL, or STEP format. These data can then be used in CAM systems to quickly and reliably create the NC programs for the HiCAD parts.